Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Begin at Vesteria Town Square and face north toward the East Gate. Stock 3 healing potions and 1 antidote before you travel. Equip medium or heavy armor with poison resistance if possible. Carry a rope or grappling hook for climbing short ledges and gaps. Confirm your character is level 15 or higher to handle sewer enemies reliably. Check your minimap and set a waypoint for the Old Mill as your first navigation marker. From the Old Mill, go north for 2 blocks until you reach the ruined bridge. Cross 3 wooden planks carefully and descend roughly 25 stone steps to the canal. Walk east along the canal bank until you see a mossy statue on the right. Turn sharply east at the statue and enter the narrow tunnel mouth. Follow the tunnel for about 120 meters until the ground slopes down. Watch for hidden traps and avoid slick patches near drain openings. At the tunnel end, locate a 10-foot shaft leading into the Nilgarf Sewers below. Drop carefully onto the wooden beams and roll to avoid falling damage upon landing. Light a torch immediately to reveal poison traps and low ceilings in the passages. Move south for 10 meters and find the rusted gate that blocks deeper access. Open the gate using a crowbar or lockpick, then proceed slowly into the main sewer corridor. Prepare for 2 patrols and a mini-boss encounter within 3 minutes of entry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.